Mayroon bang liwanag sa likod ng ulap kung tadhana? Wari ba akong minsay kay ilang
Ato silang tabangan makatindog sa ilahang kinabuhi. Akong ipakita ang akong paghigugma.
kailan to magwawakas kung wala na ang bakas ng kahapon kay saya at kinagis ng noong pag-asa.
Nagahulat sila. Ipakita natin
May
ang pagpapalagay.
plano ang Diyos kung ika'y mananalig, iyong mamamasdan ang kagandahan ng pangako.
Muhatag ko og suporta. Muhatag ko og tabang.
Kalagasan sa oras ng aking kahinaan, mga pangako mo ang umaakbay sa
Hello, I'm Bishop Jonathan S. Ferriol. As the whole world now knows, planet Earth's most destructive storm this century, Typhoon Yolanda, international codename Haiyan, wreaked havoc in the Philippines last November 8th. With sustained winds of over 195 mph, far stronger than a Category 5 hurricane, and a 500-mile wide radius, the storm immediately killed men, women, and children by the thousands. It reduced the once thriving city of Tacloban in eastern Visayas region into an urban wasteland. It decimated and flattened other cities and villages in the region. In 5 provinces it made landfall. The catastrophic storm surges Typhoon Yolanda brought swept away everything in its path, toppling cars, leveling communities and farms. It also rendered all public infrastructure such as schools, government offices, and airports unusable. The current death toll is still swelling by the day as of press time, while the emotional and mental toll on those who have lost their loved ones remain incalculable. Officials estimate that it would take years before the coastal towns of Samar and Leyte and the adjoining provinces could rebuild. Indeed, the cost of picking up the pieces is going to be unimaginably staggering. The PMCC Fort Watch U.S. District and the Sure Word TV Ministry and I are partnering with Dalo Kalinga Foundation in the Philippines to bring much-needed relief goods to the places ravaged by Typhoon Yolanda. I am therefore asking you to help. Please join me and others in helping rebuild their lives in Eastern Visayas by donating generously to the Dalo Kalinga Foundation. DKF has already proven itself to be a very effective and reliable charitable and humanitarian agency, especially in these times of tragedy. Please donate now. The churches of the PMCC Fort Watch from coast to coast are also accepting donations and relief goods of any kind that you could give. Thank you, and may God bless you as you help out those in need.
iyong mamamasdan ang kagandahan ng pangakong di kita iwan. Manampalatayang pag-iingat niya'y walang hanggan. May plano ang Diyos